A short video about my joystick configuration for the Mitsubishi MU-2 for Toga simulations. I'm using Honeycomb's Alpha and Bravo equipment. Let's jump into the cockpit. And let's have a look at my Alpha Joe configuration. Pretty normal, everything. I only use the light switches, not the master and avionics switches, and the switches on the Joe itself. One switch is special. It's in this case switch number 4. Command set lifts both power levers for dual lever hardware. This is needed to jump from the alpha in the beta range on the throttle quadrant. You can use a button on the joke or a key on a keyboard, but you must use this command. Let's go to the alpha flight controls. First have a look at the cockpit itself. Okay. The right upper lower corner you see this ghost throttle. When I move the levers, you see it goes up, both goes up, both goes down, and now you have two different. The one with the green lines are the physical one on the quadrant. The solid, the gray solid ones are these throttles in the cockpit. In the Mitsubishi, you have to lift the levers for going into the beta range, from alpha into beta. And this is simulated with the command before. Press the button on my joke. You see both levers are lifted up, and now I can go into the beta range. You see this also at the ghost throttle here. They are now synchronous. So this button command is needed to jump into this range. A second setting is needed in this MU-2 preference. It's the power lever upper limit and power lever lower limit. I've set mine from 0.60 to and 0.30. It depends on your hardware what setting is needed. The ghost throttle, you have different options. You can show it always, never in a lift zone or when out of sync. I use the lift zone, so with more power it's not visible. When I reach the lift zone it will appear, and then I can use the command. In the settings itself, for lever 2 and lever 1, throttle 3 and throttle 4 is set. This is needed because the developer has made his own throttle system. So for lever 1, this one, you have to use throttle 3, and for lever 2, this one you have to use throttle 4. Props are normal set. The D10 switches are set to move left power lever to reverse from ground idle. Same for the right power lever. And the D10 switches For the props are move left conditioner or right condition lever to emergency stop. So with these settings you can use the MU-2 as normal as possible.